Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your iPhone 13 runs the required iOS and has enough battery. Open settings to grant Photos access to the Image Playground extension so edits save properly. Once done, go into Photos or Camera and pick the image you want to work on. Tap the three-dot menu or Edit to reveal extensions. Make sure the Image Playground icon is visible in the extension row. If not, tap More to enable it. This gets you into the playground quickly and reliably. You now enter the core workflow. Select Generative, Replace, or Refine depending on your goal and why. Generative adds content, Replace swaps elements, Refine improves texture. Once chosen, draw or use the lasso to mask the area. This tells the model where to act. Then adjust sliders for intensity, brush size, and blend to balance realism versus creativity. Make incremental changes and preview often so you maintain control. If you need a different look, switch tools without losing your mask. You finish by previewing the edit at full size to check artifacts, sharpness, and color match. Tap Apply or Save to commit the change when satisfied. If something looks off, use Undo or Revert to Original and try a gentler intensity or a smaller mask, because subtle edits usually read more natural. If the playground freezes or extensions disappear, quit the Photos app, restart, and confirm permissions in settings. This simple reset resolves most hiccups quickly and gets you back to editing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.